Hog, Jay, owner of Volunteer Audio in Oliver Springs, Tennessee, making a video to update you on some more accessories, some more information about that 23.5 CVO and newer. And this also would work on you 24 guys that bought the base model but have upgraded to those factory stage 2, stage 3 grills. So at Volunteer Audio, we've already been working really hard to build amazing Hertz speaker and amp upgrades. We developed a new A to B interface. It's already working. And soon I'll be showing you some step-by-step videos on how to install the amp and the interface. We've already made videos showing you how to upgrade your speakers though to the Hertz speakers. And a lot of guys were like, are you gonna make new grills? We don't want the factory logos on our grills. So what we have done is we've got together with a company called HogBadge. HogBadge does laser engraved, laser made logos for your Harley Davidson, and they can customize it to say anything you want. Now they're probably not gonna do things that are licensed. It's going to get them in trouble. But let's say you've got a motorcycle club that you normally ride with, or a riding club, and you've got your own logo or something you want to put on, they can custom make it, and you can see that at hogbadge.com. Now at volunteeraudio.com, you're going to be able to get all the new Hertz logos. We've bought them in huge bulks, so we can give you a great deal on it to replace those factory logos on those stock grills. So we've got 3 different looks. We've got a outlined Hertz logo that's got a black background. We have a large Hertz logo on a black background, and then we've got the aluminum or silver logo with the Hertz writing in black. So we're gonna have these for your front grills, for your rear grills, on the Street Glide and the Road Glide, and very, very soon we'll have it for the 21 and up CVOs that had the good looking factory grills that you also wanted to relogo because you upgraded your speakers. So let me quickly show you how this is gonna work. All you're gonna do is peel off that factory logo. You're going to do that with a small screwdriver of some sort. You just want to get behind one of the corners with your screwdriver. You just want to peel off. Now, as you peel up and you remove the logo and take it off, you'll see it still says that factory badge information behind it. Now, when you get your logos from Volunteer Audio, they're already going to be self-stick with a 3M backing. So once you've peeled that backing, simply going to take it and line it up where it goes on your speaker. Just going to press it in place. Now, this backing works really, really well. It's super sticky, and you're gonna have your new Hertz logoed grills without having to buy new grills. Later on, we may have some replacement grills, but that's gonna be a long time from now. So we wanted to get ahead of it, give you ways of customizing it. We've got them for the rear bag lids. You'll see here, we've got the large silver logo with the Hertz logo on it. We've also got on our Road Glide over here, the outline one. That's probably my favorite look. And again, if you've got something you want custom made, our friends at HogBadge can do it. So, for instance, here's their logo. All they've got to do is peel off that factory logo here on our Road Glide, and you'll notice they make it to stick right in. And they do that. It's a little bit more to get the custom ones, but who wouldn't want a custom logo made, maybe with your riding club or something? You got a saying that's your motto. You can put that on your bike instead of dealing with that the factory logo. You weren't happy with the audio, you upgraded it, quit trying to advertise for them. So this is a good way to do it. So now when you buy your modified 6.5 inch or 6x9 inch speakers, your Hertz speakers at volunteeraudio.com for your new CVO, there's gonna be an option to add these to it. You don't have to buy them, it's optional. We've got 3 different looks. You can click on it and see the pictures. We also added a new tab in the motorcycle section of the website. You'll see there where you can click on Hog Badges and you'll see all of the products as they roll out. Right now, it's 23.5 and up CVOs and those factory stage grills that look, I mean, they're good looking grills. Now we're going to do the same thing on those 21 and up factory grills also. So you'll see more coming through in the pipeline. Now, a quick update. Togo's going to update you on the system. A to B interfaces are completely built. Our full plug and play amp is built. It all works phenomenal. I'm so excited to show you more about it. We had built a special mount for the Street Glide. We thought was going to work in the Road Glide. It needed some modification to fit both bikes. This is awesome. It bolts in where the factory amp is, has a place where the factory harnessing fits perfectly, and our new amp bolts in and the fairing goes right back on. It's beautiful on the Street Glide, but with this a little bit of changes, we've decided we can use the same mount over on our Road Glide models. So over the next week or so, I'm gonna go into more information as to why we had to go through all this trouble, why we wanted to remove the factory amp, because these bikes came with that 500 watt factory amp, and it is so noisy, but yet it's not powerful enough. We really couldn't go after it and ended up with a good result without a bunch of whining, without a bunch of noises that we were gonna amplify even further. So we had to replace it. It's definitely the best solution. The only way to do it right And very, very soon, I'll be showing you the step-by-step install of it in both the street glides and the road glides. Now, if you bought the base model bikes, this will be the upgraded amp that you're going to want to put in it if you want the 4-speaker, 6-speaker, 8-speaker systems. And you could do it for a 2-speaker, but we've got some pretty good 2-speaker systems right now for the base models that just go on top of the 200-watt factory amp. Now, that factory 200-watt amp did 9 watts. The 500-watt amp we tested did like 78. They were very, very mediocre at best. The new amp will do 190 watts RMS per channel at 4 ohm and 290 watts at 2 ohm. So plenty to hear it at highway speeds, plenty to power that whole system. We're not going to avoid any warranties. We're going to bolt it all in. We're going to plug it in. It's going to be an awesome solution. So remember, HogBadge, that's the new name in customizing the speaker grills on your Harley. They're available at volunteeraudio.com. Let me know what you think about them. Let me know what else you might want to see as far as custom emblems made by HogBadge. Comment below. We'll be quick to hopefully answer those for you. And check out their website at hogbadge.com. You're going to get the Hertz ones at volunteeraudio.com. You're going to get the custom ones at hogbadge.com. Like this video, it moves us up in search results. It helps us have other people see us, and you're helping them see things that they're probably interested in as well. Subscribe to Volunteer Audio's YouTube channel, as well as follow us on Facebook to see the latest videos as we release more for these new bikes. And we show you the latest in Harley Davidson audio. Always, if you want to call us, it's 1-844-30-AUDIO. We would love to talk to you, help you design a system, and go over all the options and pricing for your bike. And as always, God bless.